Dramatic images of a morning commute. California's latest wildfires are threatening more neighborhoods, including the community of Bel-Air. For a time, the flames forced the closure of several lanes of one of the most important highways in California, Interstate 405. High winds and unusually dry conditions drove the inferno.
We had very strong winds coming from the northeast to the southwest, blowing that fire quickly, and it has turned into a fire that is 150 acres, 0% containment at present.
From the air, water drops by helicopters to help hundreds of firefighters on the ground who've been mobilized and are battling to keep flames away from exclusive homes in the neighborhood. Some have been destroyed. Shrouded in the smoke, the renowned Getty Center Art Museum. It closed its doors as a precaution. Officials are warning residents to remain on guard.
But we are anticipating a continuation of the red flag conditions throughout the week, at least until Friday.
About 80 kilometers away in Ventura, the largest of 5 wildfires continues to burn. There, some 12,000 homes remain under threat. The weather forecast provides little comfort. The winds are expected to pick up in the affected areas. Kristen, Saloomey, Al Jazeera.